Jessica.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Very well, and super curious to know what we are talking about today.
Today we're going to talk about coconut oil. It's highly antibacterial and it's just a great oil which you could use for multiple purposes, and that's what we're going to talk about today. Personally, I use coconut oil every day to remove my makeup, my eye makeup. So I get a lot of questions about this, and it's just very easy. It's a great oil to use for that because of its anti-aging at the same time. So what you can do very easily is just take your preferably reusable makeup pad. You can also use a cotton makeup pad, but it's just so easy to use reusable ones.
Absolutely, we can wash them and they last for long.
Yeah, they last for very long. So you take your makeup pad, you just make it wet under the tap normally, but we have some water over here. It's nice to make it a little bit wet so your makeup comes off easier. This also works for waterproof eye makeup because the coconut oil helps to remove the makeup. So just spread some coconut oil on your makeup pad. Usually I do it like this, and it becomes oily, and then just take off your makeup.
And now I'm going to tell you a secret, because as you can see I have a little bit of dry skin around my eyes. I'm aging, so I combine the coconut oil with the olive oil that I can see it's already prepared.
Yes,
exactly. Generally it would be ideal to add a bit more olive oil rather than coconut oil, and combine it together, and the same procedure, and your eye makeup goes off very easily.
Ah, great idea. Yeah, so that's also an option. Just add some olive oil. Probably you have these two in your kitchen anyways.
Exactly.
So that makes it very easy. And olive oil is just such a nourishing oil, so it really helps if you have dry skin. So great idea.
Perfectly.
Yes. But what else can we use coconut oil for? Because it's just such a great oil. Some people use it to moisturize their face. I would not advise to use it for that because it can clog the pores a little bit. So, but it's nice to add, for example, some sugar to the coconut oil. Make a lovely scrub. Really nice. Personally, I love to mix it with lime essential oil. So you have the coconut oil smell and the lime. It makes you think of tropical islands.
Yeah.
Really nice. What else? So it's very nice to use it as a highlighter. You can just take like a little bit of coconut oil, put it on your cheeks, to use it as a highlighter.
With a bit of tan is even better, right?
You will look amazing. And it's really great to use as a shaving oil. Under the shower, yeah. So just use some coconut oil, put it on your legs, and start shaving.
Oh, great.
Yeah.
This is a really good tip.
Yeah, so it's a very nice and great oil to use for multiple things.
And I think we have also quite a few products here in the store in Amsterdam that are based on coconut oil, am I right?
Yes, you're right about that. So we have a scrub, very nice, a ginger scrub. It makes your skin glow, it's really nice. So you can easily make this at home as well. Just some sugar, coconut oil, maybe mix it with some almond oil, olive oil to make it a bit softer, and then some essential oil, or just add a little bit of cinnamon or ginger. So it's really nice. We use it in our lip balm, also because of its antibacterial properties, and it moisturizes, so that's really nice. We also use coconut oil in our soaps. Amazingly enough, it's a very cleansing oil and it makes your soap bubbly, but never use too much coconut oil because it can start to dry the skin out.
Oh, our precious body
Our
cream.
precious body cream. It's Jessica's favorite.
Yes,
It's really great for winter, in winter time when you have dry skin. Coconut oil, shea butter, and almond oil.
Super simple and super effective.
Yeah, super simple, super effective. And it works so much nicer than just a pure coconut oil because that stays on your skin quite long. It feels oily and a bit thick. So if you mix it, it's really nice. And we use coconut oil in our deodorant, our bestseller. It's also great to add in a deodorant because of its antibacterial properties again, and also it moisturizes. So
that's it. More or less. Maybe we'll have some more ideas how to use coconut oil, but I can see that we are wanting to teach a little bit more about the ingredients we use. So it will be nice if you will write a comment under the video requesting an ingredient that you would like to know a bit more about, and so we can talk about it next time. What do you think?
Great idea. And then we'll also give tips what you can make with it and how you can use it.
Absolutely, that's what we are here for.
Yes.
And come to see us in Amsterdam in our store, DIY Soap.
Yeah.
Ciao ciao!
Bye.